Hey everybody, I'm Scott with Bolted On. Excuse the band-aid. I cut this finger off almost the other day. I'm assembling this kit, but I cut this one off last year, so what the heck. We lose another one, I guess it is what it is. Anyways, we're gonna show you here our new Shorty 2 kit, which is a modified version of our Shorty 3, which comes with 3. So we get two 60-degree wheel chocks. We get a passenger and a driver's side. We get 2 leg supports. Of course, all of our parts are spring-loaded. You get 2 tie-down loops. You get 2 J-hooks. And then you get a 67-inch crossbar. This kit will work with any application. It's really popular for the Ford Transits and the Sprinters and the ProMasters. I'm back. This is the assembled Shorty 2 kit. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. We have more videos coming.